Alright, so we're supposed to convert the degree measure, we know there's in degrees because there's a little circle, to radians. Leave your answer as a multiple of pi, meaning you should have pi as your answer. Class, what is our awesome proportion? Tell me your formula, you just wrote it down. Radians over 2 pi equals degrees over 360 degrees. Question. Did they give us degrees or radians? So I'm going to put it right there. So I have radians over 2 pi equals 30 degrees over 360 degrees. Guess who came back? Your best friend, fractions. 30 degrees is a factor of 1 times 30 degrees. I'm trying to simplify, reduce this fraction. So I know that my greatest common factor is going to be a 30. 30 goes into 360 how many times? 3 goes into 36 12 times. Here I'm going to cancel. In this case, canceling equals 1. So in this problem, I am left with radians over 2 pi equals 1/12. I have two ratios set equal to each other. I can solve this proportion problem by using cross multiplying. 12 times radians, or 12 times rad, equals 2 pi times 1, or just 2 pi. I want to solve for radians, so I just divide by 12 on both sides. 12 divided by 12 is 1. 2 pi over 2 times 6. So if I cancel those 2's there, then you're left with pi over 6. What does that mean? 30 degrees is equivalent to pi over 6 radians. Let's try another example. Partner B, tell partner A what is our awesome proportions. Ready, set, go. Nicole, what is our awesome proportion? That's correct. Jocelyn, do we have degrees or radians here? How did you know that? Tell me what's right, Jocelyn. Okay, here's your hint. So rad over 2 pi equals negative 1 times 45 degrees. Using your calculator, 45 goes in 360. Calculators. Anybody? 8. So radical over 2 pi equals negative 1/8. I can now cross multiply. Class, what do I get? Eight times radians, or 8 rad times 2 pi times negative 1 is just negative 2 pi. If I divide by 8 on both sides, remember this is negative 1 times 2 times pi. What is this denominator going to turn into? 8 turns into what? Factors are 4 and 2, so my 2's can cancel. You're left with what? Negative pi over 4. What does that mean? Negative 45 degrees is equal to negative pi over 4. So in these problems, we were converting from degrees to radians.